Hi. Okay. With you again, unboxing. So the largest thing that I did unboxing is the my Samsung's 55-inch smart TV. So this is about that big also. So let me introduce you. I just bought a cheapest folding bicycle. So let's say if you buy outside, probably it's about 399, but I managed to get this for 160. Later on, I will give you the link. So let's unboxing the bicycle, unfolding bicycle. Okay. First time. I'm not good in installing thingy. Well, I just do unboxing, but the install work, I will do. I will ask my brother to do it, because I'm not good in those screw things. You know when you get a cheap things, I mean a usual expensive thing, but you get it for the cheap price. That's my satisfaction. Oh yeah, I should show it to you here. Yeah. That's the model number. Ganas inilah dia lembut-lembut, orang pijak kepala. Ajai. It's like birthday present for myself. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Like this. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay. I was at first planning to buy electric scooter, but electric scooter like the Ninja electric scooter is cost 799, but the lowest also I can get is 399 for electric scooter. But then I think back, they screwed here like this. So when I think back, because all these electrical thingy, maybe it won't last long, so better you buy this like your mechanical that you can use it, that you can pass to your children or anybody else. Oh, I like the color. It's white and metallic, and it doesn't look cheap. Although it's cheap, I bought, but it looks expensive. It looks premium. Haha. More than it. Okay. And then this one. How to fold it? Supposed to be okay. Better. Manilah orang apa ni? Ya Allah. Orang Lalu kan? Lalu belakang. Tuang bagi dia.
Sampah ni kan yang lupa.
Okay.
Betul.
Okay.
Saya nak bawa ke
It's my brother. Yeah, say hi. Alah, susahnya ni. Okay. One, two. Okay, then. Overall, I'm very satisfied with the post packaging. It doesn't spoil any of this plant, and because some posts that I didn't hurt when the packaging came to their house. Got few things done and everything. Okay, this is the tire apa in English? The wheel. Okay. Ini ada angin ke? Oh, okay. Dah lama tak naik basikal, tak ada angin. Okay. This actually is 20 ke 16 16-inch bicycle. It's not that the big bicycle is supposed to be like a lady's bicycle or something. Okay. Okay, I don't know about this thing. Let it be there. Okay, let me show you. So the whole body is here later on. Okay. Get back, get behind side. This is the wheel, which is can you get this? Li Sheng. Okay, maybe this is the brand. And this is GT here. Okay, tak apa. And then handlebar. So put it here. Dalam tak basikal. Okay, brake. Okay. Dah masuk ya? Ke ada lagi? Take this lah. The seat. Okay, this is for the seat. Okay, ni put here. I don't know how to do it. Is it supposed to be here? Okay. I don't know lah. Maybe here. When I do this, not on this video, for installing, I will do another video. Okay. That's it. Like this. Hello? Yeah. This. Okay. Alright, the feel, this is all metal. Yeah, metal. It's not plastic. This is metal also. Metal, yeah. So good for dog. Only this is plastic. Supposed to be here. Yeah. What do you call this? Warning lights or something? Don't know. It's supposed to be here. So cute. Supposed to be here. This is so see the loaded as mentioned, and the fill this is PVC. Yes. I think it's a good one, good quality. So it will not tear or something, like when you buy China product and then like everything goes supposed to be, oh, I'm sweating. It should be like this. Okay. Yeah. So this is the beret. Let me see the. How is that? Yeah, it's good one. It's all good quality. I would say that with the 160 ringgit cost for a folding bike, which is this is the not for this fold. Let me. How to? First timer. Why is that so? Okay, it's only take one here to fold, but maybe because of first time, so hot. Yeah. Okay. Just imagine if we fold it, in case like how big it is for you to carry around, maybe with this plus here, so it will be same. It will be like this. Yeah, like this. Okay, see? Is it big for you? Let's say if you have a full bike, like you go everywhere, go green, and then bring this around. But actually, I already ordered in Taobao for the bag for this. This is actually a 20-inch bike. So if you want to buy the bag for this, you should buy there's a 16, 18 and 20. I guess you should buy the 20. But let's say if the product came to my house, delivered from China, from Taobao, then I will do another video for the this folding bike series. Overall, I'm very satisfied. I like it. I can't wait to use this. It's just that I don't know how to do installation. So you see that I'm quite rough. I'm scared all of my teeth will go everywhere. So yeah, final details. Where is that? Yeah. To see that, it's just for me. 20x 1.75. 47 406. I don't know what's this, but I'm sure this the 20. So at least you know how big is the tire. Yeah, this thing. Because I know there's a lot of people like wanted to buy this and can't believe the price because like so cheap. Because normally it's about 300 and above, but this is only 160. Believe it. And I got this from a local supplier, which is from Penang. I ordered yesterday night and came today, so fast. Thank you very much. I'll do another video for this series for the installing and another care part things. Another video. Dah.